Idaho has millions of acres of rangeland like this, full of sagebrush and grasses, covering more than 50% of the state. I'm your Kuna neighborhood reporter Brady Caskey, out here at Kuna Butte, tagging along with University of Idaho students as they learn how to monitor the health of these important environments.
A lot of people know what rangelands are, but they don't know exactly why they're so important.
55% of Idaho is rangelands, which are vital for livestock grazing, natural habitats, energy production, and recreation. That's why students and recent graduates from the University of Idaho, like Riley Chapin, are surveying these areas.
This data is really important. We're essentially kind of getting a health checkup of the rangeland. So vegetation health, plant height, community composition, so factors like, are we seeing the sagebrush here, are we not?
He, along with other teams of students from U of I, partner with the Natural Resource Conservation Service to conduct the National Resource Inventory each year, gathering data they'll later send to federal and state agencies about the health of our rangelands.
Without these vital signs, we're not going to know how things change. If there's a big drought or if there's a new invasive species that comes in, we need to understand what's happening across all of Idaho and the West in order to be able to effectively choose what to do about that. How do we manage?
Assistant Professor Eric Winford says hands-on field experience like this prepares his students for jobs in the world of natural resources.
This is a huge part of their education. These are juniors and seniors in the College of Natural Resources, and they're spending their summer learning plant ID skills, learning about soils, learning monitoring techniques, as well as learning how to work in a team.
This summer, you may spot Riley standing in a field, writing down the kinds of grasses he sees and taking soil samples.
We love getting questions when people ask us, what are we doing out here? And we get to explain it. We go out there, we have our little backpack and your partner, and you go out there and set up and take your data collection.
All of these students will spend the next 3 months surveying rangeland all across Idaho. Reporting at Kuna Butte, I'm Brady Caskey for Idaho News 6.